Hello, family. Hello, hi, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whenever you come across this page, whenever you watch this video, guys, we greet you all based on your time, guys. So today I will be cleaning my fridge. So if today is your first time coming across this page, we are Obi family. We eat, we dance, we vlog our daily lifestyle. Our daily activities we vlog and post here. So if you love what we are doing, please give us a follow, and they also support us by sharing, commenting, like, and follow us in our social media handle: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Thank you so much. So today I'm going to be cleaning my fridge. So after arranging my living room, our table, so it's time for me to clean this fridge. It's Christmas period now. Everything have to be looking sparky the way it's supposed to be, guys. So without wasting your time, let me leave you and watch the menu of this video. Love you guys. Bye bye. Mwah.
This love is something I can't undo. Whoa. In the night we roam on the streets alone, searching for a place to call our